Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So recently I've been seeing that a lot of you guys were asking me the same question like, hey Vimal, can you suggest us some good gaming laptop at a mid-range price segment around 60 to 70,000 rupees, and if you're also looking for the same, well, you guys came to the right video. Today I have a perfect gaming laptop for you guys. So this is a brand new gaming laptop from MSI guys. It's their brand new 9th gen mid-range gaming laptop that we'll be unboxing, and check it out. The model is GL639SC. It's a crazy gaming laptop at a budget price segment that packs some really good features. Like, it's powered by Intel's 9th gen powerful i5 CPU. It comes with GTX 1650 GPU, as well as the best part is it's got a 120Hz refresh rate display with 3 millisecond response time for that a low price. That is awesome, right? Packs some really good specs. So let's get started with the video. I'm gonna give you an unboxing and complete review on this product. So MSI's GL639SC comes in this sort of box packaging. It's a simple black box with the MSI branding on the front. Before we get started, let me quickly tell you the specs of this product. The model of the laptop we'll be reviewing today is GL639SC. It comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD display with 120Hz refresh rate. It's powered by Intel's 9th gen i5 9300H and Nvidia's GTX 1650 GPU. Has 8GB DDR4 onboard RAM, and on the storage section you've got a 1TB hard disk and a 128GB SSD. So those were some of its specs. Now let me open the package and show you what's on the inside. Okay, on opening the box we've got the laptop nicely packed at the top. Let me just remove this foam packaging and keep this laptop aside for now. And along with the laptop you get a 19.5V 7.7A adapter with a mains card. So that's it, those are all the items we got in the box. Now let's finally check out the product. The laptop comes nicely packed in this MSI cotton bag, and here it is guys, the GL63 gaming laptop from MSI. It's got this nice black and red gaming theme all over it and looks quite aggressive from our first impressions. The build quality is decent and it weighs around like 2.3 kgs. Let me give you all a closer look and talk about the design. The GL63 comes in black color with red accents all over the body, and you see these aesthetically pleasing red streaks on the top lid. They give a nice gaming feel to the product. And just like most of the other MSI laptops, even this one has MSI's Dragon Shield logo that glows when you power it on. Awesome, right? Talking about the build quality is good. The laptop has a matte metal top lid, while the sides and the bottom part are made of plastic. The top lid does look attractive, but shows a lot of smudges and fingerprints, as you might have observed in this video. Let me quickly show you all the available connectivity ports on it. On the left side there's a Kensington lock, a big exhaust vent beside that, an RJ45 LAN port, a HDMI port, a mini display port, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm port for headphones, and the other one for a microphone. Going to the front, you've got some LED indicators, which include the Wi-Fi status, battery status, and the drive activity indicator. On the right side, there's a SD card reader, two more USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, another huge exhaust, and a DC in port. So these are all the available connectivity ports on it. And the back side also has two more exhaust vents to let the heat escape. Now let's have a look on the bottom of the laptop. As I mentioned before, the bottom panel is entirely made of plastic and has lots of vents for good air circulation. It's got rubber foot pads on all the corners and some info regarding the product on the bottom. Also, this panel can be easily opened up guys in case you want to upgrade your RAM in future. Alright, let me open it and show you how the interiors look like. It's got a complete black and red theme all over it and looks quite appealing. So let me give you an overview on the laptop. The MSI's GL63 comes in two variants, one with a 60Hz IPS panel and the other with a 120Hz refresh rate but a TN panel. And that is the model I currently am reviewing in this video. It's got a 15.6-inch 1080p display with anti-glare coating, and the thing that makes it special for gaming is it supports 120Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time. Can't wait to play some games on it and see. At the top it's got some sensors and a HD webcam at the center. That was about the upper half. Now let's talk about the keyboard and the trackpad. The GL63 features a red LED backlit keyboard from SteelSeries, but it's also available in per key RGB lighting on the higher end variants. Talking about my experience, This chiclet keyboard felt quite comfortable while using. The quality of the keys were nice, were offering good feedback, and didn't make much noise while using. The layout was also fine, had a dedicated number pad as well, but what I felt odd was the Windows key was present on the right side of the spacebar. I would have preferred it at the usual position. And yes, the brightness of the backlit LED lighting can also be easily adjusted using the function keys, just like this. Coming to the touchpad, it features a simple touchpad with a plastic surface and was doing good most of the time. It tracks most of my movements and gestures, but it's not that accurate when you try to finally move the cursor. And for the left and right click buttons, MSI has provided dedicated physical buttons just below the touchpad. But I felt the buttons were a bit hard to press and not that convenient. Now let's move on to the display. As I've mentioned before, the laptop comes in two variants. The model I have features a 15.6-inch Full HD 1080p TN panel with anti-glare coating. But the thing that makes it special for gaming is it supports 120Hz refresh rate with 3 millisecond response time. Talking about the display quality, the quality is nice. It's got good amount of detail, the text looks sharp and crisp, but the color accuracy was not as good as an IPS panel. But again, unless you're a professional who does a lot of photo or video editing, this display will do just fine for daily usage. The brightness was decent and the contrast levels were also fine. The only thing I was not that satisfied was with the vertical viewing angles. The horizontal viewing angles were fine. 2 to 3 people can easily watch and enjoy movies on it, but the vertical viewing angles were very limited and the screen looked washed out after certain degrees. So if you are getting this mainly for entertainment purpose, I would suggest you to go with the IPS variant. And coming to the sound, the GL63 features stereo speakers each of 3 watts, and not bad guys, they're much better than a lot of other laptops in this price range. The audio quality was good, it was clean with minimum distortion, and the audio output was also loud and satisfactory.
Display on them and could show a lot of stuff like animations, emojis, or maybe text completely controllable with your phone. But this one over here is completely different to that.
Time to talk about performance. The MSI's GL63 9SC is powered by Intel's 9th Gen i5 9300H. It's a 4-core 8-thread CPU with a max turbo frequency of 4.1 GHz. This is a good CPU that is capable of handling most of the tasks and even games with ease on a budget. It's also suitable for basic photo and video editing as well. And coming to the GPU, it's got a GTX 1650 GPU with 4 GB of VRAM coupled with a single 8 GB DDR4 RAM. Now let's jump into the gaming section and see how this laptop performs. This time we'll be playing GTA 5 and see how the laptop handles it. As you can see, I'm playing the game at 1080p resolution with all the graphics set to very high. Let's play the game and check out the results. And by the way, I'm playing the game using my joystick, and you guys can keep a check on the frame rate at the top right corner of the display. Whoa, you guys seen those frame rates? We are getting an average frame rate of around 75 frames per second at very high graphics. That is awesome, right? Especially considering the price of this laptop. The game feels buttery smooth with no sort of lags or stutters anywhere. And if you just bring the graphic quality one step down to high settings, then you'll easily hit around like 90 to 95 frames per second for buttery smooth gameplay. So like this, you can play most of the AAA title games on it. You'll be quite satisfied with the results. If you ask me about the thermals and the noise levels, the GL63 was getting a bit hot above the keyboard area after playing for like 15 to 20 minutes. But I have to say the noise levels were low. I didn't face any issues with that. Also, the laptop had a special cooler boost mode on it, which when toggled increases the fan speed to keep the components running much cooler than usual, but at the expense of increased noise levels. Alright, that was about the performance. Now let me tell you about the battery life. This laptop features a 41 Wh 6-cell battery, and as usual, like most of the other gaming laptops, the battery life was not that good. On an average, if you use it for normal tasks like browsing the web, watching YouTube videos, or simple text editing, stuff like that, at 60% brightness level, you will get around like 3 hours of battery life. But if you use it for gaming at max performance mode, you'll only get around like 30 minutes of battery life. Well, that was my review on MSI's GL63 gaming laptop. It's a good gaming laptop considering the performance it offers for the price. It's got 120Hz refresh rate support, great speakers, and good thermal performance. But it does have some downsides as well. I was not that happy with the TN panel looking from a professional view. MSI should have provided an IPS panel. And the battery life was also not that great. But if you're a person looking for a laptop dedicatedly for good gaming on a budget of around 60 to 65,000 rupees, then this thing is fine. It costs around 64,000 rupees in India. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in my next one.